Okay, now we are outside of our plant B now. So okay, we going into our storage, the warehouse roller. Now first, this is like our very small dispatch area. That's why we have cartons here and for the employees to pack the accessories and the small parts here and ready for dispatch. And the second section here is for the module assembly. Because we assemble the module units first here in this area, and then we deliver to our factory A for the final assembly. And on our left hand side, it is our warehouse. As you can see, things are packed nicely and it is organized, arranged. There are many for different components. And then we come into here. As you can see, this machine is actually for customers ready for dispatch because lack of the space in factory A. And now we come into our QC office. As you can see, it's not only for the administrative office, but also we have the testers here. For example, for the stress test, and also for the hardness test. We have the testers for the testing. And now come to the laser etching equipment. This also used on our parts, just to etch the part numbers on each part. The reason being, we make that easier for our customers to order the parts correctly. Okay.